What's going on, everyone? You got here in time to catch the Just Egg Spinach Omelette recipe that is just right for you. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my savory Just Egg Spinach Omelette. Just Egg is a plant-based egg option used to replace chicken eggs, and it's a source of protein in some vegan and plant-based meals. It is made from mung beans and packed with lots of healthy nutrients and antioxidants that provide many health benefits. Personally, it is not my main source of protein. I rather rely on other vegetables for it. So I only have just egg when I just want to add it as a side dish or condiment to a meal. You know, there are some Ghanaians and Koreans who love to eat eggs either boiled or fried. So if you just can't do away with eggs and are looking for a plant-based option, then you can give this recipe a shot. And I know it's gonna be just right for you. On the other hand, the superfood spinach is the other main ingredient in this recipe. It is also packed with healthy nutrients and compounds, and it's a great source of vitamins, iron, and magnesium. I usually add spinach to my juices, smoothies, salads, pastas, and other meals that I make. So as I was cooking one day, I decided to add some leftover spinach to my Just Egg Omelette recipe, and voila, it was a hit. And that is how, folks, I came up with this recipe. The omelette came out decadent. It had texture filled with grains and fiber. To be honest, it was filling and delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. You can modify it to suit your taste by adding any ingredients or vegetables you usually like to add to your eggs, and it's gonna taste just the same. So let's get this party started. So to make the Just Egg Spinach Omelette, we're going to need a handful of shallots, green chili pepper, paprika powder, cayenne pepper, salt, complete seasoning, extra virgin olive oil, and black pepper. We'll also be needing some fresh spinach, just egg, and some plant-based cheese, and this is optional. So in our mixing bowl, we're going to pour in some just egg and start building our flavor and taste from there. So in goes the seasoning, cayenne pepper, paprika, salt, and I'm going to chop in our shallots. Oh no, come back here. Yep. So I'm going to chop in some shallots, and I decided to use shallots for this recipe because it gave me more flavor as compared to using just the normal white onions. So yeah, in goes the chopped shallots. And next, I'm going to chop up the fresh spinach. So make sure to cut them up into smaller sizes so that it combines well with the omelette mixture when you finally add it in, and to also make or help it cook well. So mix, 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 and in goes our chopped fresh spinach. And after stirring it up, I decided to add the green chili pepper to add some heat to it. So this green chili pepper is a Korean version of the pakushito, or the Scotch bonnet or habanero pepper that we know or use in Ghana. So yeah, mix, 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 and crack some black pepper to increase the flavor of this omelette. This is gonna be so good. So you set it aside and bring on your source of heat. So you turn on your gas range and put on your pan and drizzle a tablespoon or 2 of extra virgin olive oil and allow it to heat up. Then next, you pour your mixture onto the pan, and that sizzling sound is so satisfying. So make sure to spread the mixture evenly onto the pan so that it cooks well and nice. So as it is cooking, make sure to flick the sides to make sure it's not burning, and to also know when it's best to flip it over. Smells so good. So before flipping it, I added the plant-based cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese to give it some more texture and flavor, and then flip it over. Yay! After successfully flipping over the omelette, make sure to cook the other side for about 1.5 minutes or 2, and flip it over again to see the most beautiful part of your omelette. So as you can see, the cheese has melted and it's holding everything together nicely. This is gonna taste so good. So after it's done, you can take it off the heat and dish it onto a plate, and you can enjoy this beautiful work of art with any meal or dish of your choice. Or if you're not patient enough and you can't wait to make something, you can just eat it like that, as you can see me do in this video. Yes, so that's it, folks. Thank you very much for taking time to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and also comment below on how you enjoy your omelette. Always remember that eating plant-based or vegan can also be this fun. See you in the next video. Bye!